King Arthur's Tools is proud to introduce you to our extraordinary new line of Manpa woodworking tools. Who is Manpa? Well, they're a high-quality South Korean tool manufacturer with a fantastic sense of what carvers actually need to do their work. And we're happy to be the new North American distributor for such a fine line of tools. But what can they actually do for you? Take our new belt and multi-cutters. We also call them multi-extension carvers. These cutters are highly recommended for professional carvers and turners because of their ability to extend your reach and direction like you've never experienced using angle grinders. They have 3 different length extensions which are individually fitted to get the right angle of attack for just about anything you can throw at it. The assembly process is quick and simple, with just a few hex bolts needed to keep everything secure. First, you remove the cutting head, adding the extension bar of your choice. Then you can return the head to the fitting at the end, tightening it down on the side. Depending on the extension you want to use, you'll find the appropriate belt and wind it around the groove on the head first before securing it on the back end with one final tightening of the nut on the bar. The guard and the handle snap and screw right on in seconds. And you're ready for the leverage you need to power carve. One of the hardest parts about carving in hard-to-reach spots is the fatigue it can put on your upper body from bending and straining. With both the belt and multi-cutters, you have unbelievable freedom to change your angle and direction anytime you want with just one more adjustment. Simply loosen the bolt under the assembly, turn it to the position you want, and retighten to lock the extension in place. And now, let's take a look at a few applications of these fantastic tools. Here we have an example of carving a tree trunk into a pleasing wood spirit with both the 4-inch square cutter and 4-inch triangle cutter fitted on a multi-cutter with a short extension. You'll notice a smoothness in the lines around the outside edge as he easily slices and carves through the material with the square cutter. Also noticeable is its easy control and versatility, shaping and removing wood in any direction. With the broad carving done, he can go back in with the 4-inch triangle cutter. This blade has a sharp V profile and is incredible for carving outlines and fine details of the face and beard. While the square cutter will typically leave a more open shape with squared sides, the triangle cutter will be more precise with its angle of attack, leaving a slightly narrower, easily defined, and sharper finish. This is perfect for the hairs on the beard, giving it excellent definition. Another range of tools we can't wait for you to try are the high-quality carbide mini carving bits. Available with round, square, and triangle heads, they fit all collet-type rotary tool handpieces and air and electric die grinders. Shown here is a round mini carving bit rapidly texturing every leaf on an ornamental tree. They are excellent for texturing virtually any design in wood carvings and wood turnings, regardless of shape or size. Here we see world-famous master carver Nick Agar using a triangle mini carving bit, adding a rippling water texture to the face of this maple wood bowl. By holding the tool at an angle, he's able to rapidly chip and swipe from side to side to leave the impression of waves. Then it's just a quick finish with the Merlin 2 medium yellow bristle disc to quickly remove all the rough edges. Using Chromocraft paints, Nick turned the bowl into a spectacular work of art. This is another example of texturing the carving of a hedgehog's fur using the round and triangle mini carving bits. The carving of the main body was primarily completed with the multi-cutter and a combination of round and square cutters. Then it's texturing time. Where the round mini bit removes, shapes, and textures, the triangle bit leaves distinct straight and wavy lines, giving the carved hedgehog's hair a realistic finish. Any way you cut it, it's great carving. Now look at another innovative product called Concave Eye cutters. 8 to a set, they also fit all collet-type rotary tool handpieces and air and electric die grinders. Burning designs instantly in wood, you'll create animal eyes, fish scales, feathers, circles, whiskers, and so much more. Let your mind run free with the new design these concave eye cutters can create for you. We hope you can see now what Manpa Tools can do for you and your creations. From feeling less fatigued to feeling empowered to bring your vision to reality, there's no stopping what you can do with Manpa Tools. Come check out the full line of Manpa Tools and much, much more on our websites, manpausa.com and katools.com.